Hello and welcome to Learning with Miss Salem. On this channel, we explore lots of different ways to use technology in the classroom. If you're new to my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please do so. I will try to upload new videos each week. As a teacher myself, I always look for new ways to work smarter, not harder, and I believe technology should be used as a tool to enhance teaching, not substitute it. Some background information about me. I'm currently a teacher in a government primary school in Sydney, Australia. I have been teaching for 3 years, so I'm fairly new and currently in the process of submitting my accreditation. So now, without further ado, on this episode we'll be looking at Popplet. Now, Popplet is a resource that I actually use a lot in my classroom. This is basically the interface. It's actually a web link, so you can just type in popplet.com. You create an account, choose the free option because you can actually create 10 free Popplets. And what I do actually after I finish with each Popplet, I just delete it. And so you have an option of keeping it. But if you don't need to keep it, just delete it so it allows you to recreate more. I love this resource. It's like a mind map using the interactive whiteboard, and lots of students can actually join, so you can actually have a variety of interactions. So this is basically what I've created earlier as a poetry unit, but I just added a picture so I can show you that you can insert a picture, you can insert writing as well. These are lots of different people talking. All you have to do is double tap. You can change the color, whichever color you like. Orange this time, perfect. And then you can start typing. You know, some people know Shakespeare. You know, whoever you know based on this topic, what is poetry, you know. And there's another way that you can actually add an interaction just by dragging and dropping. All these little bubbles are movable. You can move however that you want, and students can interact like that. Another way of getting interaction is you can actually share using embed code. So when you say show the public Popplets, it allows you to get an embed code, so you can copy paste that. You can embed it on your Google Classroom, and then that way students can click that link and all their suggestions come up over here. Or you can actually add up to 10 emails on this discussion, and they can also include their ideas on the topic, which today's topic is what is a Popplet. So what is poetry? What is poetry? So basically that's what you can do. One thing I love about it is after we're done, you can just save it. You can come back and edit it, or you can actually just print it, and every single student can have it in their book on that topic. So click print. You don't need to send it to OneNote. If you want to send it to OneNote, you can save it as Google Drive. I just like to save it as PDF, and you can print it. If you don't want it black and white, if you don't want it color, you can make it black and white. It's fine. You can even change the layout. So if you want to, for example, when you save it as a PDF, I'll just show you quickly. So I've saved it as a PDF, Popplet, yes, save. And then when I go to my documents over here, okay, documents, should be here somewhere. I think I saved it in downloads. This is what happens when you don't look where you've saved it. Let's try that again. File, print. I'll just go save this time actually. Don't go save, go file, print. Export, yes, that's what it is. Export as a PDF, that's what it was. It was export as a PDF. You can turn it into an image, up to you, whatever you want. I just like it as a PDF. So now it's creating a PDF file. There you are. You saved it in pictures. So I'm going to just save it on my desktop. Poetry, Popplet. Okay, save. And then I'll just show you on my desktop what happens is it's right here. Bam, it's actually created a whole page, and that's fantastic because you can have the choice of just printing it, which I love. You know, it's such a great, fantastic resource. I love putting that after we create a new topic, basically on the next page. After I've given them like the little unit, the new unit, and then I put this on the next page so all the students can see, it's basically building on their funds of knowledge. So that's basically it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to Learning with Miss Salem. Hopefully on the next episode, we'll learn a bit more about some other ways you can include technology within your classroom.